In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send images via eBay messages. If you need to share a photo with a buyer or seller on eBay, the process is quite simple once you know where to look. This can be helpful if you want to show an item detail, provide additional proof of condition, or continue a conversation with a clearer visual reference. I'll walk you through the exact process in a smooth and easy way so you can follow along on your own screen. To get started, make sure you're signed into your eBay account. Once you're on the main eBay page, move your cursor over the My eBay section near the top of the screen. You don't need to click right away. Just hover over it and a menu should appear. This is where eBay keeps several account-related options, including your message center. From that menu, click on Messages. This will open your eBay messaging area where you can view conversations with buyers, sellers, and other contacts connected to your account activity. If you already have an existing conversation with the person you want to contact, this is where you'll find it. Next, select the contact you want to message. Look through your list of conversations and click the one that matches the person you need. Opening the correct message thread is important so the image goes to the right recipient. If you've had multiple conversations recently, it may help to pause for a moment and confirm you're in the correct chat before attaching anything. Once the conversation is open, look for the image icon in the message area. Click that icon and a file selection window will appear from your computer. From there, browse to the image you want to end, select it, and confirm your choice. This uploads the picture directly into the eBay message. Before you continue, it's a good idea to quickly check that you selected the correct file and that the image is clear and relevant to the conversation. For example, if you're there sharing a product photo, make sure the image clearly shows the detail you want the other person to see. And that's it. You've opened My eBay, gone into Messages, selected the contact, and used the image icon to choose a file from your device. Once your image is attached, you're ready to continue the conversation through eBay messaging. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you send images through eBay messages with confidence.